From smartphones to washing machines, every piece of technology depends on technical standards.
Standards are the common language used by everyone involved in the technology and products. From the people designing the products to those manufacturing and distributing them, everyone who uses them relies on technology standards.
The standard used by all these collaborating teams is a collection of technical specifications developed by leading engineers from around the world. For many critical technologies, there are even international standards governing bodies like the International Organization for Standardization in Geneva. These organizations set the specifications needed to ensure interoperability and common quality. They also help eliminate technical barriers to development and widespread use. Think about the scale of this. Almost 6 billion people own a smartphone. Standards help make sure these devices are not only functional, but safe and secure. They also give the best technologies access to the vast global market, making everyone better off in the process. With the stakes this high, leadership in setting standards is important because it sets the terms by which everyone around the world cooperates in developing and using new technologies. The United States has been a standards leader for a long time because of its ongoing investments in research and development, but the US can no longer take this position for granted.
Leadership in standards is essential for the United States. It's so important for this nation to maintain a focus on investment in research and development, understanding the importance of investment in the standards process, and engaging in the leadership of the industries that define the global future for our national security purposes and for the economy.
The United States' role as a standards leader is at risk, and its market-driven approach is now facing well-organized competition. U.S. representatives are being outnumbered in global standards bodies, with increased influence by competitors, including for the communications device standards of the future. Other countries have stepped up investment in research and development in ways the U.S. hasn't. Europe, India, and China especially understand the strategic value of standards. The Chinese government has a stated strategy to lead in standards called the China Standards 2035 Plan. Chinese officials have claimed that the one who obtains the standards gains the world. Leadership in standards provides clear commercial and national security advantages. Many fear Chinese standards leadership would mean China's ability to export its authoritarian data collection model across the globe, even bifurcating the global marketplace if it has to. Without a plan, the United States could lose the competitive and national security advantages that it has enjoyed until now as the world's technology pace setter.
Working together, looking to the future of standards, industry and government can collaborate to ensure that there is success in leadership by the United States in global standardization for the purposes of national security and our economic competitiveness. It's absolutely essential for our country to understand the role that all these parts play, the role of intellectual property, our role in the innovation system globally, and the role of standards for the future of national security, as well as for our economic prosperity.